Welcome to Rush Eye Associates, where for more than 2 decades, we've helped set the standard in LASIK across the Panhandle and throughout Texas. Our tradition of eye care excellence in the field of vision correction began when we opened the Laser Center for Vision, the first freestanding eye center in the state of Texas dedicated entirely to laser vision correction. Since that time, we've gone on to perform the first laser vision correction procedure in the Panhandle, as well as the first all-laser wave-light LASIK procedure in the Panhandle. Today, Rush Eye Associates offers the most combined LASIK experience than any other surgeons in the region.
I think that experience is very important when choosing a physician to do your eye surgery. Here at Rush Eye Associates, the fact that we have done tens of thousands of procedures give us the experience and the judgment that I feel is very important when picking a surgeon.
In addition to offering patients more LASIK experience than anyone in the Panhandle, Rush Eye Associates is now among the first practices in the country to offer patients the benefits of the Wavelight Refractive Suite, the most advanced LASIK laser technology available today. It features perfect pulse laser technology and the world's fastest multidimensional tracker, capable of tracking the eye over 1,000 times per second, 10 times faster than the human eye can move. It also features the first topographical guided LASIK procedure in the United States.
The Wavelight laser that we now have actually is the 5th laser that I've had over my career, and it brings with it the absolute best results that I've ever gotten.
The current laser technology that we have and the technique that we use with 2 surgeons to do is just the absolute safest and best way to perform LASIK. It's by far and away over any other technology that's been there in the past. It's just hands down quite a bit better, safer, and achieving, more predictable and better results.
Since joining Rush Eye Associates, Dr. Sloan Rush has brought a new level of training and expertise to the Panhandle. He is the first and only fellowship-trained corneal specialist in the Panhandle and offers patients the most advanced cornea treatments available today.
I was very fortunate to be able to go on to do a corneal fellowship after my residency training in ophthalmology, and that really helped me fine-tune and learn the skills to do LASIK. And so I was lucky to be one of the first as a fellow to train on femtosecond laser technology, and now that newer and newer femtosecond lasers are coming out, I feel very comfortable and confident using them, and it's made all the difference in the world as far as doing treatments and surgeries on the cornea, which includes LASIK.
Dr. Sloan Rush is the only corneal fellowship-trained physician in the area. He brings with him experience and expertise that is worldwide. I have enjoyed learning from him, and I've also enjoyed teaching him from the 20 years of experience that I've had performing LASIK.
Rush Eye Associates is the only dual LASIK team in Texas that offers patients the added benefit of unmatched surgical experience and corneal fellowship training in every single case. Having 2 LASIK surgeons prepare and perform your LASIK procedures ensures you are receiving the absolute finest care in every step of the process.
We have brought the technology to Amarillo to do all laser LASIK, where we make the flap with the laser and do the treatment with the laser. And one of us does one of the lasers, the other does the other laser, and as a team, we can get this done very quickly, efficiently, and safely.
I think it gives patients a lot of confidence knowing that there's 2 doctors that review the numbers and review the procedure and are both there to see that the patient gets through the surgery, and I think it inspires a lot of confidence in the patient.
To help you gain a better understanding of the LASIK process, here are actual patients at Rush Eye Associates immediately before their procedure and immediately following their procedure.
My wife's actually an eye doctor, and she, for my birthday this year, actually got me LASIK with Dr. Rush, and so this is my birthday present for the year, which is awesome. I'm right at the limit of what they can correct, so that they're hopeful that we can get to 20/20. It just kind of depends on once we get in there and everything goes, just how much room they have to correct me. I'm back at home now. It's been, it's 5 o'clock now, and I had it done about 11, so it's been 6-7 hours. Feel actually really good. Without my glasses on before, I had a really high prescription. So if I was sitting this far from you, I could see that someone was there, but I couldn't tell if you were looking at me. I couldn't tell what the expression on your face was, nothing. And right now it looks like I have my glasses on. Actually a little bit sharper because my prescription needed to be updated. So It's great. My wife's an optometrist, and so she has a good relationship with a lot of the ophthalmologists in town. And Dr. Rush is just someone that she trusts and she recommended, and so I trusted her judgment on that.
I am in Dr. Rush's office, Dr. Avery and Sloan Rush's office, and I'm about to get LASIK surgery. I would say I'm more excited than nervous about getting my eyes fixed, just because I have worn glasses and contacts since I was 3rd grade. My brother, my mother, and my sister all got LASIK surgery done by Dr. Rush, and they're very happy with it. And so I'm the last one, and I'm really excited. It was really quick. There's 2 operating stations. The first one was like pressure, and then the second one you just kind of saw like a bunch of green and red lights. And then you're done, and they kind of wash your eyes, and then you're done, and they send you out. And here I am. I can already tell that I can see like everything is clearer, but there's just kind of a haze over it, and from what I hear that just kind of slowly goes away. But yeah, everything is, I can actually see detail. I'm very excited. I have new eyes, and I'm ready to not wear contacts or glasses anymore.
Today, Rush Eye Associates offers patients more experience, more advanced technology, and more predictable results than at any other time during our history. This includes breakthrough diagnostics and testing that helps Dr. J. Avery Rush and Dr. Sloan Rush prepare a customized treatment plan for each patient.
The testing that we do before LASIK is extensive. First, we check the eye to make sure there's not any disease that's present that would need to be tended to or that would exclude them from LASIK. But with the technology we have, we're able to test and confidently say yes or no as to whether or not you're a good candidate for LASIK and you would get the outcome that we would expect.
We do corneal mapping, which shows the contour of the cornea. We do a test called OCT, which gives us the exact thickness of the cornea and a cross-sectional microscopic view of the cornea. We check the retina and the inside part of the eye to make sure it's healthy. Then, of course, we'll do the testing to give an exact measurement of that patient's refractive error, their nearsightedness, their farsightedness, and their astigmatism.
Because they have had the opportunity to witness the life-changing benefits LASIK has had on our patients, many of our staff members here at Rush Eye Associates have had their vision corrected through LASIK.
Patients came through here all the time that had thick Coke bottle glasses or were completely dependent on contact lenses, and I got to see them in a 24-hour time period get to throw those things in the trash and completely change their lives. And that's when I got really excited about the possibility. I was very, very dependent on glasses. I could only count fingers without my glasses on. The same day of the procedure, I was seeing everything that I could possibly see. Having LASIK is, of course, other than getting married and having children, one of the most life-changing experiences I think that I will ever have. I think it is a great advantage that I've had this procedure done. Look at me now. I'm glasses and contact lens free, so I think it makes me a better technician.
Previously, another doctor had told me that I was not a good candidate for LASIK. And so when Dr. Rush examined me, he said, I actually think you're a perfect candidate for LASIK. I was really excited because I didn't think it was ever going to be a possibility for me. I expected to have good vision pretty much the day of surgery. After a couple of hours after surgery, I was getting excited. The next morning after I woke up from surgery, I was even more excited it was better than I thought it was going to be. I do think that having LASIK makes me a better employee. I can tell patients from personal experience exactly how easy it is, exactly what they can expect to experience while they're having LASIK. It exceeded my expectations, but I knew it was going to be good.
It comforts our patients to talk to our staff and realize that they've had it, they are happy with it, and they are able to explain to them the procedure having had it themselves. And I think this alleviates a lot of the nervousness that a lot of patients bring with them.
When it comes to your eyes, don't compromise. Look to the LASIK eye professionals at Rush Eye Associates, where our dedication to leading-edge technology and advanced surgical techniques is surpassed only by our dedication to personal patient care.
There's no other big city, whether it be Dallas or Houston, that you could go to where you could find a more advanced LASIK technology suite or better trained surgeons. And here at Rush Eye Associates, with our combined experience between the two surgeons, is just as good as anywhere.
We are committed to having the best technology and giving the best treatment that's available anywhere in the United States.
Thank you for trusting Rush Eye Associates with something as precious as your vision.